it were. I'm a daydream believer, but the times have been changing, they say. The poets and painters and all of the dreamers still live in the good old days. When I look back, I can still hear them singing. Their echoing voices live on. Now the same old song plays, but with different feeling to us. We were so young. Do you remember the days of rock and roll? Singing out loud with all our heart and our soul. We would rock back and forth to a beat of our own. Turn darkness to light like a rolling stone. The record jumps again, stuck in a loop. The young people say that they're fine, but I know they will miss me and Eleanor Rigby and the times that we came alive. Now the same old song plays, but with different feeling to us. We were so young. Do you remember the days of rock and roll? Singing out loud with all our heart and our soul. We would rock back and forth to a beat of our own. Turn darkness to light like a rolling stone. Nothing lasts forever. I'll sing of the good old days. Nothing lasts forever. I'll sing of the good old days. Do you remember the days of rock and roll? Singing out loud with all your heart and your soul. We would rock back and forth to a beat of our own. Turn darkness to light like a rolling stone. Oh, I remember the days of rock and roll. Singing out loud with all my heart and my soul. We would rock back and forth to a beat of our own. Turn darkness to light like a rolling stone. For what it's worth, I'm a daydream believer, but the times have been changing, they say.
When I cannot find my place and the world is too big, in your arms I feel like I find a place to be, the better version of me. Love the way you love me. The words I love you are not touch me